Hey everyone, Laser Dave here again to show you another laser hack. Have you ever engraved microsurfaced or engravers plastic, and when you're engraving darker colors you tend to get more of a grayish response than a black response? Well, today I'm going to use common everyday coconut oil to show you a laser hack on how to solve this problem. Come with me, let me show you exactly what I mean.
Coconut oil has unique properties in the fact that it reacts extremely well with plastics, unlike other oils, and will make the black engraved portions of engravers plastic much darker when applied. After the black core engravers plastic has been engraved and removed from the laser, apply a small amount of coconut oil to a cloth or paper towel and gently wipe into the engraving till the surface is clean. Once complete, you will see the dark engraved portions of the plastic will be considerably darker and consistent, producing more professional looking products. And as an added benefit, the coconut smell covers up the smell of the engravers plastic.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, see our website at troteclaser.com.